Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that today we discuss our second part of the chapter, that is question answers. Okay. In part 1 we discussed our word file and reading portion. Now we discuss question answers. So everyone open your notebook and start writing. First of all, A portion, orally questions. Okay. So write down question number 1. What are the other two nicknames by which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known? Is popularly known. So what is the answer? Vallabhbhai Patel is also called the Iron Man of India and Sardar. Clear? Now next question. Why was Vallabhbhai Patel called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Patel was called Sardar because of his capacity to lead from the front in various agitations against the British. Third question. How many states did Sardar Patel successfully persuade to be a part of the Indian Republic? Sardar Patel successfully persuaded 565 princely states to be a part of the Indian Republic. Clear? Question number 4 is, which states of India did initially refuse to be a part of the Indian Republic. To be a part of the Indian Republic. The states of Jammu and Kashmir, the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Junagadh and Hyderabad, Junagadh and Hyderabad initially refused to be a part of the Indian Republic. To be a part of the Indian Republic. To be a part of the Indian Republic. Clear? Now, question number 5. When was Sardar Patel arrested and why? Arrested and why? Sardar Patel was arrested. Sardar Patel was arrested in August 1942 because of the role he played in the civil disobedience agitation as a part of the Quit India movement. Clear? So these are the orally question answers. Here your orally question answers are completed. Next we discuss answer the following questions. So everyone do continue. Heading write down, answer the following question. Now first of all tick the correct, you tick in book only. So first is wrong. First is wrong. Sardar Patel was the Prime Minister of Free India. Wrong. Sardar Patel was the first Home Minister of India. Correct. Patel belonged to a Sikh family and so people called him Sardar. No. Wrong. Sardar was the forename Patel got from the people of Gujarat for his ability to lead from the front in various agitation. Yes, true. Sardar Patel started his career as a lawyer. Yes, true. Sardar Patel supported the empowerment of women. Yes, true. Sardar Patel was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1990. No, it's wrong. It's 1991. Clear? Now, answer the following question. See, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Clear? Question number 1 is, why is Sardar Patel called and remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servant, of India's civil servants? Sardar Patel is called the patron saint of India's civil services because established the modern all India civil services. All India civil services. Next is describe an incident which shows that Sardar Patel possessed remarkable mental toughness and physical strength from early age. Sardar Patel suffered a boil in his armpit as a child, which a local man treated by burning it with a hot iron rod. When the man hesitated, Patel took the rod and burnt the boil himself. Clear? These are the 4 questions. Next, now question number third is, what is the major contribution of Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel to India's freedom? So answer is the major achievement of Sardar Patel is the integration of 565 states into the Indian Republic. Clear? Question number 4 is, name some of the causes that Sardar Patel fought for or supported for or supported for the betterment of, supported for the betterment of society. Answer fourth is Sardar Patel supported the empowerment of women, the abolition of alcoholism, untouchability, and caste discrimination, Fifth question is, how and when did Sardar Patel pass away? Sardar Patel passed away. Sardar Patel passed away on 15 December 1950. 15 December 1950. Sixth is, what award was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel conferred upon after his death and when? The Bharat Ratna was conferred on Sardar Patel posthumously in 1991. Clear? So these are your question answers. Here your chapter is completed. Okay, fourth chapter is completed. So everyone note down all question answers in your fair notebook. Okay, so today's class is over here. Thank you and have a nice day. All the best for exam.